Hello, my students. How are you? Today I complete, inshallah, explain lesson number 2 in statics. Lesson number 2 speak about measurement of central tendency of the frequency table with intervals. I will explain now how to find the answer by using a question like multiple choice questions, okay? But another questions I explained before, all questions from the student's book and also in Muasir. Now from Muasir book, I will explain how to find the answer directly from multiple choice questions, okay? Already? Listen to me first, question number 1. Look at with me here, my students, about first question. First question speak about arithmetic mean. To remember how to find arithmetic mean, we have two methods. If we have data, we can find the collect of all data divided the number of data. But if we have the table, we can find the summation of frequency product by the center of all seats divided by the sum of frequency. Okay, listen to me first here. First question: what is the center of tendency of intervals we have here? We can find the center of second. Oh yes, he won't find here the center of the second interval. Where is second interval? Second interval here starts from 15 to 25. We called it the second interval, and the first interval from 5 to 15. It's first interval, and here second interval. To find the center lies between 15 and 25, we can 8, 15, and 25, and then divided by 2. The result will be 40 divided by 2 equal 20. Then the second interval, the center of the second interval, it will be 20. Next question here, number 2. If summation of frequency equal 50, and summation of frequency product by the center of seats equal 800. What's the arithmetic mean bar? We can find arithmetic mean bar by summation of frequency product by the summation of frequency, summation of frequency by product, the summation between product between frequency and summation xm here versus the center of all seats. Remember, to find the center, find our data plus our data divided by 2. We can eat together divided by 2. He gives me the information here. You must do this all steps divided the summation of frequency per dot xm over 50. 800 over 50, you can sample it. Then 80 divided by 5 equals 16. And the answer here will be 16. Next question number 3. If the upper limit of intervals is 18 and its center is 15.5, what is the lower limit? Okay, we have the rule here. Look at with me the rule. The center of set equal lower plus upper, okay, lower quarter plus upper quarter divided by 2, okay. You know the rule. The center here was upper plus lower divided by 2. So we have 15.5 is the center. Then 15.5 equal, we can write here the lower. We don't know the lower, okay, right? L refers to the lower limit of interval, and the upper was 18. If we collect together and divide it by 2, we can find the center. Then we can use this equation. Product of extremes equal product of means. Then 2 times 15.5 equals 31. 31 equal L plus 18. Okay. Again, 2 times this number. I will solve here. Okay. 2 times 15.5 equals 31. And 1 times L plus 18. We can find L here. L here refers to the lower of limit. I want to find lower of limit. Then we can find the difference between 31 and 18. 11 minus 8 equals 3, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. The result will be 13. Letter C. Choose letter C. Next question here. Number 4. Okay, number 4 down. If the lower of limit interval is, we have lower here was 5, okay, and the center 7.5. Then the length, he won't find here what? The length of intervals. We can find the length of intervals how? By finding the difference between upper and lower, okay? Pay attention. In this example, he don't want the upper. He won't what? He won't find the length of interval. So to find the length of this interval, you must find upper and lower, okay? And find the difference between together. Upper, lower, and find the difference between together, okay? Pay attention. So in this example here, that one, first step, I will find what? I will find the upper, okay? By using the rule, we have center equal lower plus upper, yes, lower plus upper divided by 2. L here is to the limit the lower L, and the upper I will write U. You reverse here the upper limit. Understood? Okay, listen to me. The center was what? He give me the center 7.5. In 7.5 is equivalent to the lower limit is 5 plus the upper. I don't know the upper. Write U reverse to the upper limit. Okay, the upper limit U divided by 2 here, and then product 2 times 7.5 equal 15. Cross the product of extremes equal product of means. Then if we simplify 2 times 7.5 equal 15. Then 15 equal 5 plus upper. Then the upper equal 15 minus 5 equal 10. So the interval started from 5 to 10. It's the interval from 5 to what? 10. Because the lower was 5. And the center was 7.5 lies between 5 and 10. He won't find here what? He won't find the length. Okay, pay attention. He won't what? Find the length. The length finds the difference between 10 and 5. Okay. Do you know the length of interval? The length of interval equal what? The difference between upper and lower. Okay. Start from 5 to 10. The interval started from 5 going to 10. Then the length, he ate what all the time? He ate 5. In the length of this interval, it will be 5. Okay, pay attention about the length of interval. Okay, it's an important question. Next question here, number 5. The arithmetic mean of frequency is 39.4. We have x bar equal, we know the summation of frequency product by xm over summation of frequency. He give me the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean here, it's meaning x bar. X bar equals 39.4. And the total of frequency here, total of frequency was 100. Okay, the total of frequency equal 100. Then the sum of the products of the frequency and of each interval and its interval. He won't find summation this of product between frequency and center of each interval. We can find the answer here by right equal. The answer was 39.4. We can product by 100. Then summation of frequency product by the center of each center equal what? 39.4 product by 100. We can use here the product of extremes equal product of means. We can product together two samples. Okay, then 100 times 39.4. We must move the point right hand side by 2 places by product by 100. Okay, and the result will be 39, 4 and 0. The result will be 3,940. Choose letter D. Okay, next question. Now he gives me questions there, the median. Ask it about the median, about this question. Okay, are you ready? We know the median. We can find the median of all data by a range. We can arrange first ascending or descending order, and then choose the middle. And also, if you arrange the data and found two data in the middle, you can collect the two numbers and divide it by 2. Okay. I asked now I will speak about the data. But what is about with the table? To find the median from table, you must draw the curve ascending from smallest to greatest and find the order of median and draw horizontal line, intersect the curve at the point, and then draw the vertical at x-axis to find the value of median. Listen to me about this question here. They give me here data. The tables, the following frequency table shows the marks of 150 students in mathematics. Marks and frequency. We have 4, 12, 4, okay, it's the data as the interval from 4 to 12, 15 students. And also, he won't find the value of k here. We can find the value of k by find the difference between total number 150. We know 15 plus 3k plus 4k plus 32 plus 25 plus 22 plus 14 equal 150. So we can solve this equation. First step, we can collect 15. Look at here, 15 plus 3 plus 4, 3k plus 4k equals 7k, and 32 plus 25 plus 22 plus 14, we can collect together by using calculator. It's 32 plus 25 plus 22 plus 14. I use calculator, the result will be 93 here, okay? 93, summation was 93. I collect all these numbers equal 93 equal 150. We can solve this equation. We have 15 plus 39, right? 7. Okay, plus we can collect 15 plus 39, 5 plus 3 equal 8, and 9 plus 1 equal 10. The result will be 150. Then 7k equal, we can move 108, subtract from 150. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 4 minus 0 equal 4. Then k will be 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Is the value of k here equals 6. Okay, k equals 6. Choose letter C. Then 3 times 6 equal 18. The value here equal 18. And 4 times 6 equal 24. Okay, my students? Second question here. What is the order of the median? He won't find the order of the median. You can get here the collect number 150 and then divided by 2. 150 divided by 2 equals 75. In the order of the median, it will be 75. And he asked here, what is the value of the median? We can find the value of median how? By draw the table first, frequency, you know, to draw the table and then find the median. He gives me the intervals. Then I will draw the table here. Okay, pay attention. For we can write upper limit of frequency. Okay, and here frequency. Okay, less than 4 here 0. We get the value here 6. 3 times 6 equal 18, and 4 times 6 24. Okay, less than 4 what? 0. Less than 4 equals 0. Frequency here 0. And less than 12. Less than 12. You can write 15. Okay, write 15. Okay, my students, you can see the steps. Okay, next step, we can find less than 20. We can add 18 here, plus less than 4 equals 0. Less than 15. We have less than 12, 15, yes. Less than 20. Look at here, less than 20. We can collect 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15. Okay, 18 here plus 15. Less than 20. Understood? Less than 20, you can collect this. 15 plus 18 equal 33. And then we can find less than 28. Less than 28, we can collect 24 plus 33. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 3, 5. Next, we can complete less than 36. Less than 36 was 32. 32 plus 57. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 5 plus 3 equal 8. And then less than 44. Less than 44, 25 plus this number. 9 plus 89 plus 25. 9 plus 5 equal 14. 4 and carry 1. 9 plus 2 equal 11. Less than 52. Understood? Less than 52. Here 22 plus 144. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And 2 plus 1 equals 3. And right one, 136. And last one, less than. I can complete here. Okay, my students, I will complete here. Less than the number he ate all the number 9. He ate 8 all the time. Then 52 plus 8 equals 60. Less than 60. Less than 60, we have 14 plus 136. It will be 150. Okay, how we found the median here? The median, to find the median, first you have the order of the median was 75. 75 is the order of the median. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 77 lies where 5. Okay, 150 divided by 2 it will be 75. It's the order of the median. Okay, then we can put the value and draw the table. Also, you can draw the table and frequency and write the order vertical and draw horizontal. Okay, I will draw here. Look at with me how we can find it here. Count, start, cancel 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 3 parts down. 1, look at here. 1, 2, 3 down, and here 3 up. Right here is the value here will be, look here, 75. Okay. because 75 is in the middle, about 3 numbers and 2 numbers. Again, we have here 75 where we have 3 up and 3 down in the middle. 3 up, 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. Okay, then in this part. Okay, 75 lies here in this part. And right here, Q refers to the median. Okay, I will solve the example now. Algebraically. Okay, 75 here, like the steps. Look at the steps. Right, 75 subtract by 57 over 89 subtract by 57. They are equivalent. Here, Q here refers to the value of median. The value of median Q subtract by 28 over 36 subtract by 28. Okay, and then we can complete. This method, we can find the answer directly by it without drawing. Okay, then complete 5 plus 5, 7, we can do it for 1. 15 minus 7 equal 8, and 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 8 minus 5, 3. And here Q subtract by 28 over 36 minus 28, 16 minus 8 equal 8. Then we can product or simplest. We can simplest here 18 divided by 6 or by divided by 4. No, divided by 2 equal 9, and divided by 2 equals 16. And then product, the product of streams equal product of means. 8 times 9 equals 72. And here 16 times Q equals 16Q. Subtract by 28 times 16. Write by calculator. 28 by 16 equal 448. Then we can move here 72 plus this number 16Q equals 72 plus this number 8 plus 2 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 5 plus 7 12. 2 and carry up 1. 4 plus 1 5. Then the value of Q equal 520 divided by 16. 520 divided by 16 equal 32 and a half. 32 and a half. Yes, letter B. It's direct here. The answer will be letter B. Understood, my students? It's the value of median. You solve the question by also drawing the graphically. You can't use this method. You can draw the table. After drawing the table, you can draw the curve. Do you remember the curve? Like this, horizontal and vertical like this. And raise the number here, starting from 4, and next 12, and also 20, 28, and we have 36, 44, 52, and 60. And there's a curve here. The guess number was 150, going from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, complete, 140, 150. Okay, and then bullet point is the other method. Okay, if you don't know this method, you can solve by this. Draw the curve. First start to 0 here, and second to 15. 15 lies between 10 and 20 here, and next one 33, 20 to 33, 33 here, and 57 going here from 2 to 57, and 89, 36 to 89, 89 here, maybe here, okay, and then 44, 114, 114 here in this place, okay, and next 136, 52, 136 like here, and last one 60, 150, and then draw the curve like this, okay, you can see. And next step, you can choose the median. Can you remember the order of the median here was 57. Going here from 57 here, draw horizontal, and then draw the vertical. It will be lies between 28 and 30. The exact answer will be 32 and a half. You can use this method to find the median. You have two methods, by algebraic method or like this, about drawing the table and find the median. Okay, understood? Next question. He give me the table here directly, and he won't find the question. He asked about what? The given figure, ascending commutative frequency table, shows the number of weekly working hours for 40 workers. Okay, my students, pay attention. I will explain this question here. Look at with me. This table directly now it's direct. Okay, it's clear now. Listen to me again. As a given ascending frequency table here, it shows the number of weekly working hours for 40 workers in factory. What is the value of the median? He wants here is the value of the median. Okay, the total number here was 40. Okay, how we can solve this? 40 divided by 2 equal 20. Then the order of the median equal 20. 20 lies where we have cancel 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 lies here. 20. Okay, this is the method. Cancel 0 and count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 20 lies between 23 and 35. Okay, lies in this place. Okay, and the Q here reverts to the value of the median here. 20 is the order of median. Then the method. What is the method we can solve here? First, write 20 subtract by 23. Okay, and 35 divided by 33. Right here, 35 subtract by 23. And here Q subtract by 32 over, who can tell me, 36 subtract by 32 is the method to find the median, the value of the median directly by algebraic method. And then 23, we have 20 and what this number 32. Okay, we have 20 here and this number was 32. Right, this number was Q. Where's the answer? Yes, 20 subtract by 23 and 35 minus 23. Okay. Okay, listen to me. 20 minus 23. Here, 20 subtract by 23 equal negative 3. 35 minus 23, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus 2, 1. And here, Q subtract by 32 over 6 minus 36 minus 32 equal 4. 4 times negative 3, it will be negative 12. And 12 times Q equal 12Q subtract by 12 times 32. Or you can sample this example. We can sample it here. This number was negative 3 over 5 minus 3 equal 2, 1. 3 divided by 12, 1 over 4, and write negative. Okay, 4 times Q, it will be 3 times 4 equal 12, equal 4 times the negative 1 equal negative 4. We can move the number here, then 4Q equal, this number move here, 4 negative. Okay, then 4K, 4Q, okay, 4Q equal negative 4 plus 128. We can find the difference. 8 minus 4 equal 4 and write 1. 124, we can divide it by 4 to find the value of the median. Divided by 4 here and divided by 4. It will be 3 and here 1. The result will be 31. So directly it will be 31. Okay. Okay, we can solve this number by draw vertical and horizontal like this. We have here 20 and 24. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Right here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. First, 0. And second will be 2. 0 here. And this 2. And next to 7. 7 here. And next to 23. 23, yes. After 20 by 3 plates. And next to 35. 35 here. And also 38, and last one 240. The second 36 was 35. You can draw it in your table or in your graphically notebook, okay, to find the exact answer. And also 40 to 38, and last one to 40, like this. You can draw like this, and then what you will do now, you can going from 20 here, we call this the order of the median, and then draw the horizontal intersection, and then draw. Lies between 28 and 32, maybe 31 and 4. I found it 30, it's nearest 31. Do you remember? We found from 1 minute 31, and graphically give me 31 and 25, nearest to this number. Okay, because answer give me 31, the result will be 31 and 4. Choose letter D. Next question, number 8. If the projection of points 35 and 5 on the ascending geometric frequency curve along the intervals axis determines the median, what is the order of the median? We have, look at here, the point was from 35 to 5. 5 here, we call this the order of the median. And the value of median 35. He won't find what? He won't find the order of the median, then the other will be not 35, it will be 5. Choose letter A. Next question. If the projection 23 and 30 on the ascending frequency curve along the horizontal axis determines the median, what is the value of the median? The value of median, it will be what? It will be 23 because we have the order like the curve, like 23 to 30. This 23, look at here, 23 is the median. Then 23 is the median, the value of the median. But the order will be 30, the order will be 30. So he asked about the value of the median, you must choose 23. Third question, he asked about the mode here. Look at the table. The interval here. What is the model interval? The model interval here from 50t to 60. It's the model interval. Next here, what is the value of the mode? To find the value of mode, you must draw here like this. Okay, don't worry, I will draw. Okay, you can use with me, use ruler to find the answer. Okay, first I will draw here like this, intersection at one point, and then draw the value, like between 30 and 40 in the middle. It will be 35. And the mode here will be 35. Next question. Okay, I finished my students explain statistics. You must study hard, okay? Thank you, my student. Goodbye.